Now we will check the some of the previews. Like for example, if you like to preview in a desktop, what we can do, we can go to here, we can select the device preview. Okay, device layout here, and we can select here, already it is added. This is how it will be look in a desktop. This is how it will look in a tablet. This is how it will look in a mobile phone. If something is not been fitted into a mobile phone, you can fit it into a mobile phone by saying this one. Okay, we can say here edit option, and we can fit it into a mobile phone. Okay, once you have been fitted it to a mobile phone, then we can say preview default. For example, go to dashboard 1. If it is in a phone, how it will be preview in a phone. Selected. Some of the charts are going out of the your mobile device, right? For that, what we can do, we can select here edit layout, edit layout. Then we select one by one to change it to a. We'll reduce this size. Okay, this particular thing you can reduce. By reducing them, you can fit it to a particular mobile phone. We can say delete this one. Okay, it is a very messy in structure for a mobile phone to fit it into a mobile phone. Okay, we can fit it into a mobile phone. If possible, then only we can fit it. Otherwise, we need to change entire layout. If you go back to the default, it will be like this. If you go to dashboard, device layout, and if you check with the desktop, how it will look like in a desktop. Okay, it will look like this. If you go to tablet, it will be look like this in a tablet. If you select a mobile phone, it is not that friendly in a mobile phone. What we can do, we can delete all. Again, we can select to make it fit into a mobile phone. We have to select a floating. That's why I said floating will give the better control. Compared with all other charts. Okay, like this we can fit it into a mobile phone. Okay, like this we can change the layout. Then one more thing, here in a story dashboard, we can show the grid lines so that you will be having a clear picture about where exactly you would like to change and all. If you don't want, turn off. If you like to format the this one, we select, you can format here like background color, you can change the color, you can change the font, everything you can do. Then if you like to show the title of the dashboard, you can show here title. Okay, and you can edit this one, double click and edit. Okay, like this we can edit. If you don't want to show that one, show title, you have to take it out. Similarly, actions again. For example, if one chart filtered, everything should be shown, so that actions add actions, filter, which chart I am controlling, this one bar chart I am controlling, so selected a bar chart. Which chart to be filtered? I will say all three chart to be filtered when it is selected. Okay, then okay. Now the moment if you select a in a bar chart, the all other charts also changed. You can see all other charts also changing according to your selection in a bar chart because you have been set up actions. Click outside to come out from that one. Okay, if you like to clear the actions, go to actions, select. If you like to edit or remove the actions. Okay, like this we can use this actions. Okay, update, auto update is there so that automatically it will update any of the changes done in any of your charts. Okay, format already we learned, grid already done, device layout, these are the device layout we already learned, right? These are the about the main thing which comes under the dashboard. Dashboard is a very simple, whatever you have been created so far, we have to create one dashboard. We have to select one dashboard, select the size, floating type, and start drag and drop into that particular area and reset that one according to your requirement. This is all about a dashboard. If you like to remove that particular dashboard, right click and delete. If you like to rename the dashboard, right click, rename, and you can give the name like map trend. Okay, like that we can rename the dashboard. Like this we can create a dashboard in a tab. Dashboard is nothing but using a multiple created a charts into a one particular area. That is nothing but a dashboard.